Hi, my name is Nikhil. I've been working for Trimax data center for around 4 years. After a long holistic search for a lot of institutes for CCI in networking, I've come across NetTech India as my final destination or resolution, you could say. Uh, it has been a really amazing studying environment over here where theoretical as well as lab environments have been covered really well. As a student and to be trained as a CCI, I would look at the device infrastructure in NetTech India. And I think NetTech India has provided me a decent environment with multiple switches and routers, definitely upgraded with the latest iOS. Uh, the teaching staff over here are certified professionals and are dedicated towards their students to clear any kind of doubts. And I think NetTech India also provides us with a 24/7 lab practical environment.